Alright, I'm just warming up my engine in this below 10, 11 degree weather as I was shoveling. And this is to show you what I carry in my back of my car, my emergency car winter kit. Salt, just to make my car heavier because my car is so light. Carry all tools, kitty litter, in case there's ice. I can put it underneath my tires so I have better traction. A sleeping bag, shovel, pair of boots, which I've used when I had to take my car out of the ditch, and a first aid kit, and some other stuff underneath my tow rope. I can show you underneath. Spare WD-40. You always need to carry WD-40. You can see it. So this is all underneath my tarp. Blanket. Keeps the battery warmer. You can tell my car needs to get warmed up.